How to play Guess Who, Part 2.
Sut i chwarae Guess Who, rhan 2.
Game phrases.
Ymadroddion gêm.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Alli di ailadrodd y cwestiwn os gwelwch chi'n dda?
You must answer the questions with a yes or no.
Rhaid i ti ateb y cwestiynau gyda ie neu na.
Is your person called?
Ai enw dy person di ydy? Ie neu na.
You have asked that already.
Ti di gofyn hynna yn barod.
I am not sure.
Dwi ddim yn siŵr.
Position and identity.
Safle a hunaniaeth.
Is your person facing to the right? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n edrych i'r dde? Ydy neu nac ydy?
Is your person facing to the left? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n edrych i'r chwith? Ydy nac ydy?
Is your person male? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n wrw? Ydy nac ydy?
Is your person female? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n fenyw? Ydy nac ydy?
Is your person wearing a mask? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n gwisgo mwgwd? Ydy nac ydy?
Is your person holding something? Yes, no.
Ydy dy person di'n dal rhywbeth? Ydy nac ydy?
Hair colour.
Lliw gwallt.
Does your person have brown hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy person di wallt brown? Oes nag oes?
Does your person have blonde hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy person di wallt melyn? Oes nag oes?
Does your person have red hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy person di wallt coch? Oes nag oes?
Does your person have white hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy person di wallt gwyn? Oes nag oes?
Colours.
Lliwiau.
Brown,
Brown.
blonde,
Melyn.
red,
Coch.
white,
Gwyn.